Alrighty guys, it is me, Luigi, and we are back for some more Seven Nights at Bobby's Remastered with...
Hi guys, again, BoyBlam, whatever, I'm stupid.
Hi, it's me again.
NEWTheOswaldMovie, and now we're going to be doing Night 2. So, this is the code for Night 2. N-I-I. And look!
And my life.
It's like N-I-I, but Night 2. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so this night I have a technique.
Alright.
So I'm just gonna keep this door closed. And just and keep an eye on for Terrence. Let's just mute the phone calls. Well, I played this before. Alright, so there's Bobby, Terrence, and Flex. So they're on stage. Okay. Oh my god. There's a soda can in the backstage.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Yeah, Bobby, that. To this day, I still don't even know. It's Bobby. This is Bobby and the agents and BoyBlam123 fan.
Oh no, someone moved. Oh, hey Terrence.
Maybe if I...
And Bobby and Flex are still on stage. But Terrence moved. Oh god. Oh, hey Flex and Terrence. Oh my god, look at those faces. It looks like Terrence is about to eat a balloon. Terrence? Oh, hey. When you saw him up close, it looks like he was gonna eat those balloons. Right there. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Terrence. Flex? Oh, hi, Flex. Hey, Bobby. And hi, Terrence. Clown? Clowny? Oh! Oh, God. Hey, Flex. Oh, Bobby! Can you guys see Bobby? There's Bobby. Terrence? Bobby is right there. Yeah, alright, so Bobby is back to normal. Hey, Terrence. Terrence. Oh, Flex is coming. Well, Bobby just twitched, but now, like, Terrence is in the restrooms. Oh my god, Clowny! Wait!
That's the same guy who did the...
Wait! Yeah, Clowny, him. Some people say it's scary, but it's a good game and the jump scares are funny. Oh my god, Terrence! Right there! He's right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Hallucinations!
Hallucinations! Alright, so... Okay. Hey Terrence, I see you. Flex? Hey Flex. Alright, this shouldn't be so bad. Clowny? What? Clowny just ran! Did you just see what happened to the camera when it was up?
Yeah. Just went down, that's all. At least you don't get to jump scare.
Wait, I'm not sure why your camera goes down if Clowny starts running, but... That's okay.
Maybe you're so scared that the good guy just puts it down. Maybe. Otherwise, yeah. Wait, I think I know why. Maybe
oh, hi, Terrence!
Maybe Cloudy has the ability to move stuff. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do you think Clowny has the ability to move stuff? Is that what you think?
Yeah. He has the ability to
Go away, Terrence!
Yeah, get the heck out of here.
Whoa! Whoa! Who's this? Oh my god. The hallucinations. Alright, is Terrence gone? He better be. Yes, he is gone. Good. Oh, hi, Terrence. I keep forgetting to check on Clowny! Wait, Oswald.
Yes?
You know, if Clowny gets out of the cove, it'll be cool if he opens the door and runs. Would that be a cool animation if there was ever an animation? But I'm not really sure why your camera goes down if he starts running.
I told you, he moved.
Oh.
He only went.
BoyBlam?
Yeah, I'm asleep.
Do you have any idea why your camera goes down?
Cloudy.
Yeah, Clowny.
Cloudy. Cloudy, please.
I'm asking if you know why. Why do you think the camera goes down? Because of Clowny. Do you know why?
I'm asleep, Josh Peg. Now let me go to bed and let me hug Valley.
Oh my god.
But also, you imagine if Clowny opens the door and starts running to you. Imagine that.
Oh, well, then tough luck. Like, Clowny lacks intelligence in it, so you're safe, but
Tiny Cloudy.
But also, do you think it would be cool? But anyways, like, Terrence is coming. He's in the poster hallway. Oh, he's still there. I'm keeping the doors closed. Oh, okay, Terrence is still there. Hey, Terrence. I see you. Oh, okay, it's almost 8 a.m. Almost 8 a.m. Alright.
Yeah.
Now we did it. Now we'll see you in part 3. Peace out, everybody.